guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a new Instagram makeup look video. Today I'll be showing you how to do the makeup look that I posted on my Instagram a while ago. The look is mainly a rose gold smoky eye makeup look with a nice nude lip. So yeah, let's begin. I always go in with a primer first. This product is actually perfect for oily skin like mine as it makes the skin smooth and matte. Please do not go on the bottle. Actually, I've just transferred the primer to that bottle because the primer bottle actually just gave up on me. So the next product that I'm going in is with an orange color corrector, and I'm just gonna apply this all over my face wherever I feel I have some discoloration. Now to blend it all away, I'm using a pink beauty blender which I got off of Amazon, and I'm using it damp. So yeah, and I'm just gonna blend all the places where I placed the corrector. For foundation, I'm using the Loreal Infallible 24-hour matte cover. It's pretty full coverage and is long lasting, so people with acne scars can definitely use it. My skin has yellow undertone, so the shade that I'm using over here is 108 Caramel Beige, and I'm blending that too with a damp beauty sponge. For concealer, I'm using this one from Loreal that I've been loving lately. L'Oreal skin makeup products have the best coverage. They are extremely full coverage and stick to the skin well. They go on smoothly and they don't even stick on any dry areas of the face. They are great for dry weathers as well. Now I'm going in with the same concealer but just a lighter shade so that I can highlight my face. Now to add some color to my face, I'm using this lip tint right here, and I'm just gonna apply this on my cheeks and on the tip of my nose. Now to add more definition to my face, I'm gonna go in with this darker shade of foundation, and I'm just gonna contour my face with this. I got this loose powder from Swiss Beauty on Amazon. I brought it out of curiosity since I saw it quite recommended in the beauty section. The coverage is amazing actually. It's quite soft and light. It has a nice, marshmallow-like finish. The lasting of the powder works just fine for me, and I have oily skin. I think it would last well on dry skin as well, but they will have to moisturize their skin nicely. Now to just set that loose powder in place, I'm gonna go on top of it with the compact powder from Maybelline, and I'm just gonna slightly dab this all over my face. I'm filling my eyebrows in my natural brow shape. I'm using the Eyetex Dazeller powder to contour the features of my face. This contour powder is a neutral brown with slight warm undertones, so this shade can work for most people. For eyeshadow, I'm gonna go into the Hilary Rhoda neutral palette. This shade is a nice neutral matte brown shade. This is to give the eye an even base. So yeah, just apply this to the entire eyelid. Now I'm using a matte deep brown shade. Apply this to the crease, making it darker in the outer corners. And focus on giving your eyes more depth. Now I'll use a dark brown color. Apply this color broadly to the end of the eye as if you're blocking it off. I'm using this rose gold shimmer eyeshadow as an accent color. Using your fingers instead of a brush to apply this shimmer eyeshadow can make it look more vibrant, while it also helps it stay on better. I'm also applying the same shade to highlight my inner corners. I'm using a black eyeliner. I've used a matte black eyeliner, but if you want a fancier look, you can pick one that's glossy as well. Now we are going to line our lower lash line to give an intense look. This way you can achieve bringing all the attention to the eyes. Now apply mascara to your upper and lower lashes. Now we're going to apply false eyelashes. I'm using one with a natural yet long style. Now I'm applying a peachy tone blush to add some flush color to the face. Also gonna apply a little bit of blush on the nose. Now to highlight the face, I'm gonna go into this rose gold highlighter and I'm just gonna highlight the highest points of my face. Now I'm gonna use the same highlighter and go in with a tiny brush to highlight my brow bone and my nose. Also gonna highlight my cupid's bow. Now I'm lining and filling in my lips with this dark brown lip liner so that it gives more depth to the lipstick that I'm going to use. Finally, the accent color. This is a nude pink lipstick. The lipstick I used is a nude cool tone pink. Just apply it all over the lips. Once you've applied this shade all over your lips evenly, the makeup look is complete.